Hey again, let me start step by step to implement or find weather project. So to get started, I will go to the Android. I have something startup. I copy it, make sure create a new folder. I name it get sunset. Okay, and I add this project inside it. Make sure open Android Studio here. From here, just looking for Android Studio. Open existing project, desktop. So whatever you save it, whatever place you save it. Kotlin, Udemy, Android. What I'm interested in is get sunset this application. We do this because we need a startup project to work on it. So yeah, here is it. This is my startup project for my device. So yes, this is very basic project, doesn't have too many details. So before he's doing anything, let me just go here and change the project name, like Android startup. I name it get sunset, and make sure save it and click bold, then click clean project while he's building. So what do you think, how we could get the weather? To get the weather information, that means we are communicate with something online. So we need to look for something online to get the weather information from it. But there's many APIs, but here I will use Yahoo Weather API. So go on Google and search for Yahoo Weather API. And I just click it here. You will see he will give me the API for weather. So if you don't know API is it is like services written by someone, and he provides for public, for user to access to it. So if you see, this is a service, this is URL that give us information about weather. So if you see, this is how Yahoo use it for any city. So if I wanted, for example, I want to check Rochester semicolon NY and click test, he will give you all the information about Rochester weather. If you see, the result is JSON, like everything is JSON. Okay, like yeah, yes. So I could see the information here about the weather. I could see tag name it result, query. In a query there is a result, there is channel. Yes, there is a speed of, there is distance, there is units, there is the language description, the winds, there is atmosphere, astronomy, sun sign, sunrise, sunset, sunrise. So this is, I want to read this one, sunset time, from this JSON. So first of all, this is my URL. So make sure I copy this is the URL. Second thing, I will go to my project now to be ready. Because I want to communicate with something online, like on remote, so I mean I need permission to access to internet. So I go to Memphis first of all and say, hey, I need to use a permission. So I say use permission internet for access to internet. Because this is not dangerous permission, so I don't need to ask for it also on the code. Just adding here and I'm done. Good. This is first step. Second step, I will go to my code. Let me make sure to, this is my code and it is already written in this way. So I would write simple method. So I will name it protect, okay? And I will name it get protect fun. I name it get sunset, okay? And let me suppose this one will get input view as a view. This one, what do you mean? That means there is a button, someone will click on it. For now, see, he just give me error, so make sure just remove last one. He will go to the auto complete, click enter, so he could import this one for you. My URL for now, so variable is not variable, it is val. My URL is equal to this one for now. We will update it later on. So this is my URL. So looking back in this one, if I just click Ctrl F and look for Rochester, see, this is the Rochester NY, the place for the city. Like here we and you add the city name and he will give you the results. So I will just take this part and I click make it in this way. Okay. So instead having this Rochester NY, just remove it and let me suppose I have something here, city. Okay, city should be defined here. It will come later on from some place. So for example, here I have it Rochester NY. So just having it is backend. So yes, I have it now. Everything should be ready, and I could get started. So let me go and design the UI. So what do you think in UI we need? In UI, I need simple input box. Someone enter his city name, then I have button, he click on it, then he will see the result on the text view or whatever. So my project is really simple. So to get started, I don't think I need this one. This is too much taking from the screen, so I don't need it. Okay, so what do you think I need? Just me change this UI. I need first of all input, someone enter city, because I need enter text, so make sure the plain text, so he will be able to enter text. So he add this to constraint to both sides because this one is enabled, and I could add one more on the top. Okay, this one should be edit text for the, so just click escape, so I will be able to now that not bag. So I name it edit text city name. Okay, someone enter city name. Make sure delete any text inside it and add hint. I say, hey, enter city name. So hint for the user, so he could enter the city name. What I need more, I need button. Someone click on the button to get the weather. So let's suppose here is the button. And also I need a label to show the city. So show the weather, the sunset time. So this is my label. So yeah, here is it. Add constraint here. Hopefully I will be able to add it. Add another constraint here. Constraint on the top. Make sure bring it down, and also from this one add constraint to this one. So make sure it is being this way. Okay, this is my simple app. So text view, let me just change the size of it. So should be here sunset is for example 3:30 a.m. That's what will show in final, but for now it's just hard coded. So let me just change the text size. So going down, look for text size. Let me change it 19 for now, and you can change it more, like for example 27. That's good. That's good for me. Yes, and this button, when someone click on it, he will bring the tool, bring the sunset. So I say, hey, so this one will be BU sunset. So this button, when someone click on it, it will call this method. Okay, so make sure go back to the activity and say, hey, when someone click on this button, please, where it is on a click, please call this method. Also this one, the text, name it get sunset. Okay, I have one thing missing. I think this one have the name for this one should be changed. So text view sunset time. I think now everything is ready. I say yes. So now everything is ready. If I just go to design, yes, I ask you enter city, he will show you the result. When you click, you get the result and show it back. Now what I want to do, I want just get the city name from this one. So going to code, instead of hard coding the city name, should be getting from this one. Is that right? From edit text dot text dot to string, because I'm getting the city name from this one. So now if I have city name, I have complete URL for the city. Now okay, I have the complete URL that bring the for the API, for weather API. But what do you think for now? For now, we have to call this URL to get the data, and this is URL in the remote host, so I need to do HTTP call. To do HTTP call will take some time until he brings the result for you. So better thing to solve this problem, wait, before do that, it's because I see problem here. Yes, here is it. So better thing to solve this problem, better thing to solve this problem is by doing listening for bringing data from the server. So let's go to the next step and try to do HTTP listener to get the data from the server side.